Quick video in how to install our new ZipTrak merchandising solution. First step, take your rail, lock it onto your dry grocery shelf using a push pin. Next, you'll align the tracks over the rail that you installed. Using force, snap the tracks onto the rail. Once the lanes are in place, to merchandise your product, you will take the right lane, slide it over the adjacent left lane. We'll take the product to be merchandised. You hear a click, you just run it the length, front to back. The system has now been installed. This lane is now operable. You'll just simply repeat that process until all of your items are in place. An alternative installation process would be to take the right lane, slide it over the top of the adjacent left lane. Take your product to be merchandised, set it in, make sure there's a little space. Take your thumb, do a thumb press, you hear a click. You've engaged it at the front point. Now, take your product, slide it the lane, you'll hear the click. The lane is installed. Please note, when running a 8, 12, 16 feet run, the trays can slide across adjoining shelves. Please note, at the end of your run, you'll install a right-hand finishing lane by snapping it on the wire. When applying in a cooler application, it may not be necessary to use the finishing right-hand side, as the wall would be support for the last lane. The nice feature with this adjustable system is that you can disengage, slide the lane over in order to cut in different size packages. The ZipTrak system comes equipped with a spring rated specifically for the single-serve beverage category. There may be times where you need a little bit more spring tension. We offer a second channel which would accept a second spring and add a spring kit. You just run through the paddle, insert into the channel, you now have extra spring tension as needed. Once the system's installed, the whole system can slide up and down the channel, allowing for easy adjustment of your facings. In addition, the rears are all interlocked, creating a continuous floor across the shelf surface.